Welcome back to Senior Tech Talk. Today we're helping you stay safe by spotting and avoiding text message scams, one of the fastest growing tricks targeting adults of all ages. A text scam, also called smishing, is when a scammer sends a message pretending to be someone you trust, a bank, delivery service, government agency, or even a family member. If a text says you must act immediately, like your account will close in 1 hour, pause. Scammers use urgency to stop you from thinking things through. Never tap a link from someone you don't recognize. These links can lead to fake websites or download malware that steals your personal information. No legitimate company will ever ask for your password, social security number, or bank details through a text message. If they do, it's a scam. Watch for odd phone numbers, poor grammar, or unusual spelling. Scammers often use automated systems that produce sloppy messages. Some of the most common text scams include delivery problems, your package is on hold, bank alerts, unusual activity detected, gift card scams, you've won a prize, grandkid in trouble scams, pretending to be a loved one needing money. If you're unsure, stop. Don't reply. Don't click. Instead, contact the real company using their official phone number or website. You can protect yourself by blocking and reporting suspicious numbers, turning on spam filters, keeping your phone updated, talking with trusted family or friends before responding. If you clicked a scam link, don't panic. Change your passwords, contact your bank if needed, and consider running a security scan. The sooner you act, the better. Technology is here to help us stay connected. With a few simple habits, you can enjoy your phone safely and confidently. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips every week. Stay safe and stay connected.